Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the micro cap company, but it is something latest and new technology company. The company name is Dolat Algotech Limited, as you can see in the name on the screen. Just I wanted to inform you that this company has given a multi-bagger return in last few years. Like in 2007, the company price was 2 rupees 50 paise, but right now the company price is trading around 66 rupees. But the company price also touched 120 rupees in recent, I think you can say in August 2021, touch the July 2020 higher 122 rupees, something like that. So the company has given a multi-bagger return. Let's discuss more about in detail for this company. So first you can check the company is from finance and stock broking. Market cap is 1172 crore. It's, you can say, small cap company. And also the book value is 32 rupees and PE is 7.3. PE is very low here. PEG and dividend the company is paying very low dividend, 0.3. 2-year return is 40%. Okay, because you can see only 2-year return, you can see on the because it is showing for the 2-year return right now, but if you can see on the chart, it is showing a multi-bagger return from 2017 to till date. If you see that what company is doing, company is actually established in 2009. Okay, and has invested in liquid resources and in unit of mutual fund to earn tax-free dividend. Also has reinvested these fund into the stock market. So basically they're investing the money in the stock market, and when they are receiving the dividend, they are also putting the money again in the stock market. So let's more discuss the delivery about the company. 76 to 74% delivery daily, and if you check monthly is also showing 71 to 68%. If you check the update, the company is paying consistent dividend here, 20 paise, 25 paise every year, which is also good. Company is paying dividend consistently. Now check here more information about the companies. If you check, it's from stock broking and financial company, and what is the market cap is 1172. Stock EPS is 9.1 and P is 7.3. Industry 18. So right now current P is basically giving a more opportunity for the higher values. Book value is 32. Price to book value is 2.07, and dividend is 0.3. Number of shares in the market is 17.6 crore shares floating in the market. If you check the particular website of the company, you will see the company, what the company is doing right now. So let's go here and check. Yeah, so this is again Dolat Algotech Limited. Okay, company is doing the broking activity. Algo, I think you know about the algo trading. They are doing this kind of algo trading, and you can see more information like other PDF and balance sheet, FI information, financial year information here. Okay, so now go into the results section. You can see the quarterly result is showing 70% to 48%. Last few quarters, okay, companies has giving a negative percent. So you can 24% negative, 19%, 15%, 20% sales growth. Okay, sales growth year on year also you can see earlier it was 159, but now few quarters showing negative downtrend, but it is showing last few quarters are flat. EBITDA is similarly, EBITDA is also growing in the right now in negative direction. There's just this one showing a positive 31, but this one is showing a negative. And if you talk about the other income, companies increasing their other income 21, 20 crore, 18 crore, which is also a positive sign. Company paying some interest to the bank, 7.4 crore interest also. And after all, company creating a profit of 60 to 46 crore right now, with the very high margin. PAT is also improving because PAT growth is showing negative right now, but in the last quarter in March it's 17% positive, and also December 20% positive. Okay, if you talk about the net profit is also having negative in this June quarter, but in the March and in the December it was showing 20%, 70% profit growth. Okay, so this is the standalone quarterly. If you check the annual result, so you can see that the company is growing their business slowly. 115 crore business, now 210 crore in 2019-2022. Okay, but if you check there particularly how this one is growing so you can say 16% negative to 120 to 6% positive, then again 60% positive, and again negative of 12.5%. This is the growth of sales. And if you talk about EBITDA, you can see EBITDA growth is also showing positive, 114%, 44% in EBITDA here, and negative 20% in the June. Company's other income are increasing exponentially here, 34 crore to now it is showing 68 crore other income. Interest is also increasing from 15 crore to 25 crore. But company is creating very good PAT, 71 crore to 168 crore. Net profit is also growing from 78 crore to 160 crore. So this is the way companies particularly growing their business. If you talk about the overall standalone, how the return on equity, it's showing 37% return on equity. Company also managed this return on equity around 40%. And return on capital employed, company is showing right now 40.59, but company also managed this 60% in the in 2019. This is very good. Now check the efficiency here. The company is working at 103% margin, which is very good margin, and PAT margin also 72%. So company's book value is increasing like a U-turn. You get J curve. Earlier the book value was 3.7. Now this showing book value 20.98, which is very good sign. The company's book value is increasing every year, every quarter. Okay, now check here the asset turnover. Now talk about the dividend payout. Company is also paying dividend, which is also good sign for the company. Let's check here the more financial here. Okay, when you check the financial here, you can see the shareholding. First of all, the share capital. Company never change their share capital here. It's fixed 17.6. Never change their equity capital because management is very solid here. Reserve is increasing exponentially. Earlier reserve was 48 crore, now it is 510 crore reserve. Excellent growth in the reserve. Current asset, if you check the current asset, short-term investment nothing. Current cash is 3 crore because they are investing in the share market again. So this is the non-current asset. If you check, company is having some long-term investment of 41 crore, okay, and long-term asset of 335 crore asset, which is also very good. So company is having very good balance sheet right now. If you check the here profit and loss, okay, so you can see the company's profit are increasing slowly, 116 to 211. After including the other income and after reducing expenditure and interest, company is still creating 160 crore profit in last few years. So there is exponential growth. You can say 51 crore profit in March 2019, but June 2022 was 160 crore profit, which is very positive sign for the company. You can say cash flow. You can say cash flow is also very good for the company maintaining very healthy cash flow. And you can check the here one of the positive sign here that company's management is never selling single piece of the share, because they know that the nowadays this algo trading is working very fine and people are basically doing a lot of algo trading. FIA also interested in this company, slowly coming here. Right now FIA holding 0.07%. Non-institution is holding intact here 25.44. So this is the way you can see who is the management. Dolat Capital Market Private Limited, and also this is a Jigar Commodity and other name of this different management people. Some people also from public, EPIF and LLP. Here is the board of director. You can read about director here. There is some scan for the company. You can see the fundamental scan, which is showing that the company is having high return on equity and consistent dividend paying. Okay, hope this particular video is helpful for you. Always take the particular decision from your financial advisor before taking any position in this company. Thank you and have a nice day. If you check the fundamental check for this Algotech Limited, so in the some attribute, like for example growth, I have given the 4 marks here, 4 rating. Balance sheet 5 because company is having well balanced asset and liabilities and are having some debt, but they are reducing fast. Return on capital employed, I am giving 5 rating because company is showing a very good return on capital employed, 40 to 50%. Few year back at 60%. Return equity also company is giving very good. Equity capital company is giving very solid here 5. So okay, which is very good. Company never changing their equity capital. Sales growth is very good. Profit growth is also maintained by very good guy. The company promoter holding is very good. Now never changing the position. Cash is company having some cash crunch because reinvesting into the equity. Operating margin 5 because company has 70 to 80% operating margin. Valuation is very good. Company's valuation you can say flat, not maybe basically high level, and PEG ratio is excellent, 0.04. Thank you.